Hi, I'm Dear friends. This is Photoshop, and let's see today how to cut out the object. Little bit difficult object for cutting. I mean, like this fox, you see it's a little bit shaggy. Okay, let's see how to do it. I will go to Select Tool, Lasso Tool, and starting to select pretty roughly my fox to keep the areas I want to left and to remove as much as I can what I don't need. But as I said, pretty roughly. Okay, now I'm going to Select Tool, choosing Select and Mask, and going to the brushes and choosing Refine Edge Brush tool, left click on it and changing its size as much as you need, just to paint, or I'd say erase, those extra areas you don't need them from your picture around your fox. Okay, let us see what we did closer. I hope it's good. Okay, now I'm choosing decontaminate colors and amount, let it be something like 50, 50, 60, 55. Okay, I think it's good. We did it, and fuzzy areas are still fuzzy. Okay, thank you. Bye.